to you by Coca-Cola. Ano na? O, palakpakan.
Rick Segreto daw, hindi yan DJ. Rick Segreto, ha? Oo. Ha? Yun lang, wala nang iba? Oo, wala nang iba. Ha? Suddenly na lang daw ni Billy. Billy Crawford. Ayan, ikaw na yan, Day. Ha? Oo, kumpleto naman kami dito, hindi pa nare-release ng dyan na eh. Salamat all the people, the regular guests, Miss Megan, Mr. Dave, thank you very much. Miss Mel, of course, and all the regular guests now, salamat po sa inyo lahat for incoming and outgoing wherever you are there. Maraming salamat. So, DJ, pasok, go.
Was just everything. Until the first hello, until the first time, but if I had to do it all again, I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause this love is everlasting. Suddenly, there's a beauty of love, and you should never ignore. So you wake up and suddenly you're in love. Oh, kala nyo laki, no? Bakla to.
Woo! Ganda ng hype!
Everything can want and more. 1,000 words to say how I feel inside. Holding hands as we walk along the shore. Never felt like this before. All life living for suddenly. There's a beauty about it, there's an everything knows. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Instead, I pray this love will last forever. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Oh, palakpakan! Woo! Mabuhay ang mga bakla! Woo! There's a beauty of the mind, and there's an everything. You wake up and suddenly you're in love. Aray, thank you very much. Ikaw na. Ang husay mo talaga. Ang ganda-ganda ng pagkakaawit mo. Kaya lang medyo pikit ka ng pikit, ha? Hindi maganda kasi baka mamaya pagdilat mo, wala na kaming lahat, ha? Mahirapan ka, ha? Okay, si Josh ba? Gusto nating pakantahin? Oo,
magaling din yan. Ako nahusay po yan, ha?
Yes, events ano yan.
Sige na po.
Organizer.
Kumanta ka naman, Jones, kasi may request din sa amin ni Nipon. Oo, mag-CR daw muna kami, ha? Halika na. Thank you very much. Of course, I would like to thank Kuya Arnel for my outfit. Thank you. Miss Abby, maraming salamat din po.
Miss Abby, thank you so much.
Of course, Arlington, funeral parlor for my hair and makeup, ha? Good for 40 days. Thank you.
And of course, I would like to thank Adnoc Manok for the flowers.
Oh, para. Albert, thank you very much. Maraming salamat po.
Albert,
All our sponsors, maraming salamat talagang bonggang-bongga. Especially our Santa Claus, Mr. Dave.
Yes.
Yeah,
Stay
later
on,
on,
thank you so
don't you
much.
worry, contestant, because Mr. Dave is very happy. Later on, we'll be giving Santa Claus also.
Yay!
Don't you worry, we will be line up.